Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to do to install our dash mat is actually just clean the dash, making sure we get all the dash. I like to use a microfiber, make sure that there's no residue from anything left. Righto guys, so installing the Velcro now, we have our 4 little Velcro tabs. We've got the dash nice and clean, and I like to sit them in the 4 corners of the dash, pressing down nice and hard to sit them down. 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. The front corners are a little bit tricky to get up into, but nice and easy, pressing down nice and firm. Righto guys, so we've got all the Velcro tabs installed on the dash. So now we're going to sit our dash mat up and into place, sitting it down on our Velcro tabs. Pushing down nice and hard. And just like that, it's just so easy to install this dash mat. Like, the Velcro is super tough, so it's fantastic for if you're going off-roading. The dash mat doesn't move. It's awesome protection. You can see it gets full coverage for your entire dash and protecting your investment, so it's an awesome product.